According to recent studies, millions of migratory birds are significantly affected by offshore installation. When the night comes, the platform turns its lights on, and some migratory birds are attracted and become exhausted. Involved in the protection of vulnerable and endangered species, Technip Energies has developed an innovative, proactive system able to predict the migratory birds crossing and to lower plant lighting in consequence. The first principle is to split the plant into different units according to their luminance. A map of light propagation is generated in 3D space. Then, an estimation of structure attraction level is performed per bird species. Next, the system uses global meteo cloud data or local meteo station data associated to digital bird tracking data for impacted species in order to calculate bird crossing periods and to lower the plant lighting during those periods. The decision is automatically taken. In case of an emergency situation, the system is switched off. The system can also be connected to plant maintenance and operation database in order to postpone activities in case of bird crossing.